Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to customize your contact page in Shopify, step by step. Whether you want to freshen up the look, make sure it matches your brand, or just add a bit of personality, by the end of this video, you'll know how to make your contact page stand out and work just the way you want. So let's jump right in. First things first, start by heading over to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're there, look for the section called Online Store. Click on that, then select Customize. This is where all the magic starts to happen. You'll be brought into Shopify's theme editor, which is basically your control room for changing how your store looks and feels. Now, within the theme editor, take a moment to browse the different pages of your website until you find your contact page. If you've just set up your store, don't worry. Shopify actually creates a default contact template for you automatically. That means you don't need to spend time building a contact form yourself from scratch or mess with complicated code. The template is already there. You just need to make it your own. Once you're sitting on the contact page in the editor, you'll see an area with the contact form right in front of you. This is what your visitors use to get in touch, so let's make it stand out. Click directly on the form in the editor, and you'll see different options to begin customizing. Shopify gives you quite a bit of flexibility here. For example, you can add a background image behind your form. This is a really nice way to give your page a personal touch or to reinforce your brand colors. Imagine the difference between a plain white contact space and one that uses your company's branded patterns or a friendly team photo. Even small changes can make the page feel a lot warmer and more inviting. Further down, explore the other options that let you customize the form even more. Maybe you want to adjust the font style or the button color, or maybe you need to add a subtitle that welcomes visitors tightly. Spend a few moments experimenting with the look and feel, making sure it matches your store's vibe. If you're not sure about a particular setting, hover over the information icons. Shopify often gives helpful tips right there. And remember, you can always undo changes if you don't like how something looks. Once you're happy with your customizations, take a deep breath and hit that Save button. Saving locks in your changes, so don't forget this part. Just after saving, use the preview feature to see exactly how your new contact page will look to your customers. Take your time here. Scroll through. Try sending yourself a test message if you want to. If anything feels off, you can always hop back into the editor and tweak things until you're satisfied. And honestly, that's it. Customizing the contact page in Shopify is completely doable, even if you're not technical. The built-in template means you don't need to create anything from scratch, and the theme editor keeps everything simple and visual. With just a few clicks, you can turn a standard contact page into something that feels special and trustworthy for your visitors. I hope this walkthrough helps you make your Shopify contact page just how you want it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, drop a comment below if you have any questions or want to share your own tips, and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and good luck customizing your store.